Nokia Magic Max and Magic Max Pro is coming. Here no specifications. Nokia has been making continuous efforts for recent years for its comeback. In addition, new magnificent Android devices are being launched by the company. According to the latest leaks, Nokia is about to launch two flagship phones in the market soon, which will be named Nokia Magic Max and Magic Max Pro. These smartphones will be able to compete with other Android smartphones available in the market. Nokia Magic Max is one of the best Android phone, in which the company's engineers are engaged in improving its design a lot, whose glimpse is being shown in the image leaked on the internet. According to which a triple camera setup has been installed in the back of the phone with a beautiful arrangement. Nokia Magic Max will be made available in many colors, and dual-tone shade will be provided to make this device more attractive. Both these smartphones will be similar in physical parameters and measurements. Their performance and specifications will also be similar. The only difference between the two is the dual display, whereas Magic Max Pro has a 2.3-inch mini version screen on the back of the phone and it is in this tiny size. I will have a fully working OLED panel to show animation, notifications, messages etc. The Nokia Magic Max featured a 6.7-inch FHD Plus OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR10 Plus support. On the front, display will protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. It is also speculated to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus General 3 SoC. In the memory department, the Nokia Magic Max may offer up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of onboard storage. Many other impressive specifications will be given in the phones, such as a 108-megapixel triple camera setup, and along with it there will be a 32-megapixel selfie camera in the front. Nokia will provide 5000 mAh battery power in Magic Max, which can be charged through the facility of fast charging. Wireless charging is also possible with this. Nokia's device is not officially launched yet. Its price has not been determined. Some sources suggest that its price may be around $449 and around 34,000 rupees in India. Although its Pro variant will priced at $499, around 39,000 rupees. As mentioned above that the phone may be launched soon, then new sources suggest that the phone may be launched on this August 14th.